Wait, so hold on a minute. Did you think that the Antarctic Treaty and Antarctica was the only place that we could not freely, independently explore to prove where we live? Because if you did, boy, are you wrong. Yeah, not only can we not go to the southernmost part of our realm to prove where we live. Oh, well, that's okay. We'll just go to the most northern part, where we're all pulled with our compasses, these magnetic field of energy that pulls us all. It's telling us to go there. We can't go there either. It's called the Arctic, right? And it consists of the land, the water, and the EEZs that are above the Arctic Circle at 66 degrees and 33 minutes north latitude. There's those numbers again. Now, it doesn't stop there. As we have said, international law regulates this area as with other portions of Earth. Shocking. Yeah, these guys right here behind me, the Arctic Council. Now let's see what they're talking about. It says here, recognize the importance of maintaining peace and stability, right, in the Arctic. Well, probably because if we went there, there'd be big issues, buddy. But reiterating the urgent need for increased actions to mitigate and adapt to climate change. Okay. Now, we've seen the laws, the propaganda that they use to lie and to be able to maintain these things from us. Now, it says here also, the parties shall facilitate access by the participants to terrestrial, coastal, atmospheric, and marine areas in the identified geographic areas consistent with international law for conducting scientific activities. Just reiterating that, again, we cannot just freely and independently explore our realm and easily prove where we live. Now, let's take a look behind me. This is what we see when we see the North Pole from Google Earth. Now, why is the Earth a cartoon, but where the satellites, not the problem. Let's focus on the continents here, okay? Very interesting. Now, they're talking about all this ice and, it's been frozen, climate change. So let's take a look back at some of our past maps to see how far, the climate change, how much climate change is actually going on, how much ice is melting. And when we look, this is from 1531, 4 land masses separated by 4 bodies of water, and there's no ice. Weird. Now another map in the 1531, maybe some globe deception, but if we see again 4 land masses with water, no ice anywhere to be found. Now let's fast forward to almost 100 years later, just in case, let's see if they have any ice. Maybe that was just a couple maps. No. Not only that, we're seeing the 4 land masses separated by water, but what's this? Is that a magnetic north? We've heard about Mount Meru, the Garden of Eden, so many cultures talking about their, the magnetic north and how important the north is. Now, if you go back to what we're shown, 1 mass, 2 mass, 3 mass, 4. Yeah, these are nonsense. They're just blacking these out. There are 4 rivers. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm sure it's all just a coincidence, though, right?